Miter saws have probably been around since the birth of carpentry. Okay, maybe that's a bit of exaggeration, but they've certainly been around a long time. That's not to say they haven't changed, because they definitely have. The old miter box with a back saw is getting pretty hard to find these days. Now, everyone is using power miter saws and getting their work done faster. What's up guys, today you'll take a look at the best miter saws you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Evolution Compound Miter Saw. Evolution's compound sliding miter saw runs on a high-torque powerful 15-amp motor that drives a 10-inch blade. You can cut a wide range of materials using the same blade. With the high-torque motor, you can cut through mild steel up to 1/8 inches. You can adjust the depth of the saw to get the desired cuts. Besides, you also have laser guidance that allows you to make precision cuts. By adjusting the bevel handle, you can get a 45-degree finish on your workpiece. You can set the angle precisely with the help of the bevel scale. Furthermore, you can make cuts up to 50 degrees using 5 miter stops. The compound miter saw features a quick clamping mechanism using which you can secure the workpiece easily and firmly. Evolution provides a 3 years limited warranty on this compound miter saw from the date of purchase. Number 4. DEWALT DWS779 Miter Saw. DEWALT DWS779 is one of those tools that can be useful for both professionals and those who need to do different work around the house. This particular model is quite versatile and has a powerful 15-amp motor. It delivers up to 3,800 rotations, which is more than enough in most cases. The miter saw comes with a 12 saw and allows you to make a precise cut. You can also make an angled one by simply tilting the blade. The back fence design makes it possible to make cuts up to 2 times 12 dimensional lumber at 45 degrees and up to 2 times 14 at 90. This particular model doesn't include a laser cutting guide or LED, but you can purchase them separately if necessary. Number 3. Wen Compound Miter Saw. Wen's Compound Miter Saw uses a powerful 15-amp motor that is used to cut boards up to 12 inches wide and 3.5 inches thick. To get the desired cuts, you can rotate the miter 45 degrees in either direction. This is achieved with the help of 9 miter stops. On top of this, you can bevel the miter saw 45 degrees to the left. Using this miter saw, you can get high precision cuts. Thanks to the Class 2 laser guide that will illuminate your line of cut, the miter saw comes with a 6 3/4 inch baseboard vertical capacity and a 7.5 inch crown molding nested capacity. The compound miter saw is covered under a 2-year warranty period from the date of purchase. Number 2. Bosch Power Tool Miter Saw. Bosch's saw comes with a nice set of features, most of which have been added to make the saw easier to work with. All the controls are up front and the handle is adjustable for 4 different positions, and I believe this makes this saw the easiest to work with in this category. Bosch has also made the table extensions integral to the saw, giving a total width of 40 inches to the table. The fence is also sliding, allowing you to extend it to the side when necessary. There's also a built-in length stop for those times when you have to make repetitive cuts. The detent system on this saw is unique as well, being a wedge and slot, rather than a typical ball detent, that will make a difference over the life of the saw, as it will help maintain better accuracy. Number 1. DEWALT 12 Double Bevel Miter Saw. DEWALT DWS780, an upgrade from the venerable DW718, however, that doesn't mean it's not as good as the others we've looked at. The difference between one of these saws and another is minimal. An interesting thing they've done on this one is to make the stainless steel miter plate with its detents adjustable, which makes up for any inaccuracies that might be found. The fence on this one is set farther back than most, increasing the capacity to 16 inches. It's also sliding, like some of the other saws we've looked at. Some people have complained about the miter cam lock, but the one I tried worked well, and the override feature makes it possible to set angles very close to the detents. An integrated XPS cross-cut positioning system provides adjustment-free cut line indication, improving accuracy. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.